Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Maria. As you can see on the title, I'm doing my makeup using products I never used before. And I'm nervous because I don't know how my face will look. So let's do it. This is my mirror because I need a mirror. First, I'm gonna use this. Is a perfect skin wake up cream and it's perfect for now because I will go to sleep soon. So I washed my hands. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I think it's too much, but we'll see. A little bit more because we have an egg too, so we have to take care of him too. The next product I'm using is this foundation I never used before. I was on a shop, and I seen makeup products very cheap and I was like, why not? They had a lot of shades, but this one was the light one. So I said, okay, my skin is so white. And I said that I have to try it. It's for all type of skin. I guess it's good. I'll put here. Okay, I don't know why, but I think it's a little bit too dark for my face. Just saying like this, it's not important. It's not like I will have a mask on my face or something. No, it's normal. It's not my shade at all. And I said that I want the light one. I'm being in home for 2 weeks now. You know how I feel. I think you understand me because this is going crazy everywhere. This period is so bad because, it's normal to wash your hands and your face and take care of you and be clean. But this period you have to be like in a relationship with the water and the soap. Okay, so being this period like this, I said, okay, my last post was a long time ago. And I said, this is the perfect moment to post something. I like this foundation brush a lot. And now I'm using this Powder Bronzante. Now I know that I will have comments like, girl, that's not your shade. Girl, change it. And my answer is, girl, I see it's not mine. I have to do this. I said I'm doing, so I'm doing. Because my forehead is so big, like look, I have to take a shadow like this. I have to do here. And like this on my neck. And here too. This is something like my everyday makeup tutorial, but using products I never used before. I'm using this brush for my eyes to make my lips looking a little bit bigger. And then here, no, it's the same. It's the same, girl. If you want to have a bigger lips, just something there. This highlighter is looking like this. What? This is not shiny anymore? Okay, so the glitter is just outside, like something like this, and after you get that glitter is just that. In general, when I'm doing my makeup, I'm using for my eyelashes and my eyebrows mascara. I don't have one I never used before, and this is why I'm not using. I also got this. This is for little girls. I will use the lipstick from here, and here are the lipsticks. I have two, so I have to choose one of these two. But these are the same. Okay guys, so this is for today's video. If you think you like it, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos with me, and turn on the notification. Hugs! And see you next time. Bye!